We're heading into the pet store. Come on, Drew. Tank's excited. Should we get a cart?
Yeah.
Come over here. No, let's get over here.
Let's get a big car.
Let's get a big cart. Here's one right here. Oh, excuse us. Let her give this lady that cart. Let her use that one. Hi, excuse us.
Thank you.
Okay, Drew and Jesse, hop in. Or Jesse, you gonna push?
No. They could be in the car with me.
Okay.
Where's the garbage for this?
I'll find you one.
Can I get in there with them?
Yeah. Tank's in the cart. Too big. Push the cart.
Can I go in here? Oh, yeah. I can't.
Okay, we guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Backing it up.
Look it.
What?
That dog has toilet paper.
Drew, hold on to him. Don't let him get out. Here, let me see you guys. Let me see you guys.
Look, Mommy.
Hi, Jesse.
Hi. Oh, look it. Mommy, I dropped it. Mommy, look it. Oh, this is SpongeBob's house.
SpongeBob's house.
Yeah. Oh, look at
Let's look in here.
Let me see a hand.
Oh, snakes.
I told you.
Oh my gosh,
Mommy,
freaky.
I don't want to be in here.
You wanna get out?
It hurts my butt.
What?
It hurts my body. And
Get,
my
because you're too
legs.
big. Get out.
Okay. I can't because I have to. Let's get my shoes on.
You guys want to check out those snakes?
Yeah. Spiders.
Oh, what's that one at?
Ooh, look at, he's alone.
Oh, freaky.
What's that one called?
That one is a python. Jesse, come over here.
What's a round snake at?
I think they just have pythons in here. What do you see?
I thought this. I pet those
Just
dogs,
pythons.
Mommy. Whoa.
Tank. Okay, sit down, Drew. He sees those doggies. Tank! Jesse, are you pushing the cart?
No. Oh, look at there.
What is it?
A turtle.
Turtle? Come down here, Jess. Check out the fish.
Let me check out the fish. That moving thing. Whoa.
I wonder if they have a Nemo. I wonder if they have a Nemo.
I see a big Nemo.
You see a big Nemo?
Where me a big Nemo?
How about that little goldfish in there by himself? You want to get him?
Where?
Right here. It's yellow. That orange one is a goldfish.
Oh yeah, let's get that goldfish by itself.
Let's go down here. There might be some...
Goldfish will get on my face.
Huh?
What's that? Goldfish will get on my face.
Get on your face. Why would he do that?
We need to find out a tank for him.
What do we have down here?
Ooh, some hamsters.
What is it?
Look at that.
Some birds?
Whoa. Let me see some birds. There's a hamster.
Hamster?
I'll get a hamster. There's a big hamster there.
They're in their cave. They're in their house.
Yeah, in their castle. And the other castle's over there.
Oh, cute.
Whoa! Look at that, Mommy.
What is it? A whole bunch?
Yeah, hamsters. Is that a
A rat?
Is it? Someone took the hamster.
He's probably just hiding.
He's hiding in here. He's hiding in there.
You find him? Oh, he is. He's stuck?
Yeah. How did he get out?
I wonder if he'll come out.
He's stuck, Drew. There's a hamster wheel. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see that one is sleeping. There's a dream. Look at
What's this one doing?
He's hiding in there. The other one's hiding somewhere. That guy's doing this. Moving. I see hamster. Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at that big one. Let's look in this one.
You see the birds?
Yeah, bird.
Oh, do they talk to you? Oh, hi. Sorry. Look at him. I think he's saying hi, Drew. Hi. That's a cockatoo. No, Tank. Here's some over here. Some more birds. Lizards.
I wish I had a hamster.
What?
I wish I had a hamster.
I don't.
I do.
They're dirty. See those birds? What's he got in there? Excuse us.
Mommy, look in there.
What's in here?
It's lizards.
Lizards. Ooh, there's one.
Where?
It's kind of freaky.
I don't see him.
Ooh, look at this one.
Oh, I see him. Is he dead?
No, he's sleeping or some. It's a gecko.
A gecko? Look at Mommy.
Oh. How many's in there, Jess?
3.
Look at their food.
Oh, there's turtles
like
in
peas
there.
and carrots.
Let me see turtles.
Oh, 2 turtles.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, they're fat. Mommy, can I get out?
As long as you behave.
I'll behave.
You'll behave. See those turtles in there, Drew?
Yeah.
This is a fancy bearded dragon up here.
Fancy bearded dragon? Where's the one in here?
Let's go get Tank some dog food. Oh, there's a bee costume.
A bee costume? Like a ladybug costume.
Should we pick out a toy for Tank?
Yeah.
What about this?
Bone.
You think he'll like this?
Yeah, he will like this.
Does he like this?
Look at that one, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
He's drinking his drink.
He's drinking his drink? Oh, yeah, he is getting a drink.
He's thirsty.
He is thirsty.
Why is he one there sleeping? There's a little one too. Oh, the sign says there's 2 hamsters.
2?
Mommy, look at there's celery.
Yeah.
And there's some family in there.
Okay, let's get our dog food. Look out, Jess. Excuse us.
Mommy, look at
Over here, honey. Drew, this way. Yeah, look at those cats. Look at those. How'd they get up there, Drew? I don't know.
They can't move though.
Oh, look what I see over here.
Hey, take us to the Superman. I want this Batman, Mom.
He wants that Batman.
Yeah.
Should we get him a Batman shirt?
I want to give him. Let's give him a Batman shirt. I'm gonna find him something. Mommy, can I please this? I want it to be mine and take and have one.
Oh, they have a Batman suit.
Mommy, you want this? Okay.
No, I want to get him a Batman shirt.
Batman.
Oh, this one has a cape.
Okay.
Look, he's trying to get those kitties. Don't touch Drew. Drew, stop it. We're getting all the kitties all worked up.
He's freaking out with the kitties. He says, leave me alone, you doggy. Oh, can we see that one again?
Mm-hmm.
Don't let him go far.
Oh, we're gonna get in big trouble for starting a cat fight.
Do it again.
No. Look, this one's coming up to see him. Look at this one.
Don't stop.
Okay, all right. Let's check out the other ones. Bye-bye, kitties.
That kid's mean, right?
All of these kitties are looking for new houses. They're looking for families.
Mommy, that kid's mean, right? The kitty's in there sleeping, so be quiet.
What do you think, Tank?
Mommy, that kid's mean, right?
Mm-hmm. All these beds. He wants to see this one.
Tank's not getting in big trouble. You're just sitting and wait for kitties to come out.
No, Drew. No.
Mommy, look at a brush.
Hi, good. How are you doing?
Mommy, I want to.
No, we're getting... Okay, Tank.
No kitty fight, Roy.
Let's get our dog food.
Oh, this one was kitty fight.
Ooh, excuse us.
Bones and Tank.
Ooh, Ellen has a line here. Shout out to Ellen at PETSMART. Look at this. All these cute leashes and collars.
And toys.
And toys?
Yep. And a hat for dogs.
A hat for dogs?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Tank? What are you doing, Tank? What are you doing, Tank? Tanker. There's not a dog in there. That's puppy pads, like diapers.
Ew, diapers?
For doggies.
Ew, for their poop.
For their pee. Look at that. He thinks there's a doggy up there.
That looks like Tank.
Uh-huh. Drew, come here, honey.
Look at these, mommies.
Bacon.
Bacon.
Does he want that? Let's pick out a bone for him.
How about this bone?
Oh, that looks like a good one.
Do you want it? What about these bones?
What about those bones?
Yeah, they're cute. They're tiny. Let's get him that, Mommy.
Stop throwing a whole bunch of stuff in the cart.
Look at Mommy.
No, Tank. Oh, what about these ones down here?
Oh, yeah.
This should keep him busy.
What's this? Oh, look at this. Mommy, look at this.
What's that? What are those claws down there?
Ah, look at Tank. He loves this. Mommy, look at this.
What is that?
Ah, he wants it. Maybe it's a steak.
You teasing him?
These look like chicken holes. Chicken holes. Oh, look at this, Mommy.
Should we get a beware of dog sign?
Ooh.
I think he wants it. His tongue's hanging out.
In your mouth.
Too big.
Yeah, maybe.
Should we get a beware of the dog sign for our house?
Yeah, dog sign. Let's take this, get this poop for him.
What?
A poop.
No.
Wee.
A poop pillow?
Yeah, a poop. Oh, look at this, Mommy. This is for dogs. Oh, look at toys. Oh, I see bones on this aisle.
You find some more bones?
This is the same.
Oh, we have that.
Oh, we have the Jimmy Gimme.
Does he want a toy?
Pie. Pumpkin pie. He loves the pumpkin pie. Oh, look at this hot dog.
Does he want it?
Yeah, I think he wants it. He's liking it. Oh, this is the same, Mommy. black. That's why I'm gonna call Batman Black Man. Hey, Mommy, look.
You like the big hot dog? You like the big hot dog?
I don't think he likes that snake.
Yeah, he loves it. He's scared of the snake.
It kind of stinks over here. You smell that?
Yeah.
Look, they have Toys R Us stuff.
Toys R Us stuff? Ooh.
Should we get out of here? Let's pay and get out of here.
Yeah, look at stuff. We forgot some bones.
Let's get a bone and get out of here.
Ribbit, ribbit.